Welcome guys, so today I am with EarFun Air Pro and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset of this device. That's very simple. So we have to open the case, and of course, as you can see, I'm connected with my earphone. So when you open the case, you will find this button right here inside and you have to click on it twice. Take a look. When you make it, this indicator inside starts blinking on the white, and after that it will switch to the green and the white, and after a few seconds our connection will be removed. As you can see, I'm not connected anymore, and when I try to select my EarFun Air Pro, I will get the new pairing request. So it means that the pairing history was restored to the defaults, and basically that's how we can perform the hard reset of this device. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.